Good morning students. Today we are going to see about crop production and management lesson. Before that, last class we discussed about crops, different type of crops, about food, sources of food, those things we learned in the last session. Now we are going to see about crop production method. That is first step. First step is preparation of soil. Preparation of soil is nothing but turning or loosening of soil. Turning or loosening of soil is nothing but fluffing. Fluffing is otherwise also called as tilling. It is the first step before growing crop. One of the most important tasks in agriculture is the turn the soil and loosen it. So some of the microorganisms and also earthworms are present in the soil. So in this process, which will help the growth of microorganisms and also earthworms present in the soil. So these microorganisms and earthworms are also called farmer's friend. Why the earthworms are called farmer's friend? Can you guess? Yes. These earthworms, can you see in the forms, the earthworms which will move inside the soil, it will make the soil loosen. So it will involve in the process of loosening soil. It will give the aeration of soil and it will provide the nutrient rich soil, and also it will increase the fertility of the soil. So it is otherwise called as farmer's friend. Not only that, it will involve in the process of decomposed method. Decomposed method அப்படின்னா decomposed அப்படின்னா தமிழில் பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னா மக்குதல், அதாவது தாவரங்களோட வேஸ்டேஜஸ் லீவ்ஸ்லாம் இருக்கு இல்லையா, மண்ணோட மண்ணாக மக்கி அது வந்து மண்ணுக்குள்ளே புதஞ்சிருக்கும் இல்லையா, ஸோ அதை தான் வந்து என்ன சொல்கிறோம், டிகம்போஸ்ட் அப்படிங்கிறோம். அனிமல்ஸ்லும் அதே மாதிரி பார்த்திங்கன்னா இறந்த அனிமலோட உடலங்களெல்லாம் வந்து பார்த்திங்க அப்படின்னா மண்ணுக்குள்ளே புதஞ்சு மக்கி இருக்கும். ஸோ இதுதான் வந்து நியூட்ரியன்ட் ரிச் லெவலை வந்து சாயிலுக்கு கொடுக்குது. இட் வில் இன்க்ரீஸ் த ஃபெர்டிலிட்டி ஆஃப் த சாயில். நெக்ஸ்ட் பார்த்தோம் அப்படின்னா சாயில். சாயில் கண்டெய்ன்ஸ் மெனி மினரல்ஸ், நியூட்ரியன்ஸ், வாட்டர், ஏர். So these nutrients are absorbed by the plants. So again the next cultivation process, soil need nutrients. So in these nutrients which will get from the turning or loosening of soil process. So it is an important one. It will give the nutrient through this process. Next, flubbing. Flubbing is nothing but turning or loosening of soil. It is otherwise called as tilling process. It is done by flub. Flub is made up of wood or iron. This is called fluff. Fluff is made up of wood or iron. These are driven by pair of bulls or other animals. In olden days, horses and camels also involved in this process, used in this process. It containing a triangular shape iron strips called fluff share. It is a triangle shape one. This is a sharpened edge which will make the soil loosened. Next one is a fluff shaft. It is long wood. It is a long log of wood. It is otherwise called as fluff shaft. The main part of the fluff, there is a handle at the one end, another one end is present on the bull's neck, which is placed on the bull's neck. One pair of bulls are involved in the process and a man can easily operate the fluff. This is a fluffing process. Next, crumbs is nothing but in the soil, big crumbs. Big crumbs அப்படின்னா பெரிய பெரிய கட்டிகள் பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னா மண்ணை வந்து உழுதுட்டு போகிறப்ப பெரிய பெரிய கட்டிகள் இருக்கும். ஸோ அந்த கட்டிகளை தான் வந்து என்ன சொல்கிறோம் அப்படின்னா crumbs அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம். ஸோ இட் இஸ் அதர்வைஸ் பிக் clumps, இட் இஸ் அதர்வைஸ் கால்ட் அஸ் crumbs அப்படின்னு சொல்லி சொல்கிறோம். ஸோ தீஸ் crumbs யூ மஸ்ட் break these crumbs before the tilling process. நெக்ஸ்ட் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா லெவலிங் அப்படின்னா மண்ணை வந்து சமப்படுத்துறது. ஸோ the leveling process is done by the leveler. So the leveler is an important one. It will leveling the soil. Next பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னா manure is a natural substances which will get from the cow dung and also some of the plants residues. So sometimes manure also added in the soil before tilling process, because it will mix the proper soil, mixing proportion of the equalization of the soil. The fluffed field may have a big clumps of the soil called crumbs. It is necessary to break these crumbs. Next one is a leveling. Already we learned. Sometimes manure also added. Then the soil is moistened before sowing. அதாவது பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னா இந்த நம்ம விதை விதைக்கிறோம் இல்லையா, அந்த ப்ராசஸ் அப்போ வந்து சாயில் வந்து ஈரப்பதமாக இருக்கணும். ஸோ if the soil is dry, water is necessary before ploughing. So you must wet the soil before sowing process. Once again, students, I will recall this. First one, the first step is preparation of the soil, which means turning or loosening of soil. It is otherwise called as tilling or ploughing. In this process, through this process, it will involve the process of growth of microorganism and as well as the earthworms. Earthworm is called farmer's friend. Not only that, these earthworms decompose the dead plants and also animals. Soil contains many minerals and nutrients. These nutrients are absorbed by the plants. After absorbed by the plants, soil need nutrients for the next cultivation process. So the next cultivation process, the turning and loosening of the soil only give the nutrient for the soil. Next one is the ploughing. Ploughing is made by fluff. Fluff is made by wood or iron. Next is the crumbs. Crumbs is nothing but in the soil big clumps are present in the soil. It is always called as crumbs. It is necessary to do 2 breaks before sowing process. Next one is a manure. Manure is a natural substances which will get from the cow dung and also plant residues. So sometimes manure is also added in the soil. Next one is a leveling. Leveling அப்படினா சமப்படுத்தல்னு சொன்னோம் இல்லையா. So leveler is used to take the method of leveling. இது leveler மூலமாக தான் வந்து என்ன பண்ணுறோம், மண்ணை வந்து level பண்ணுறோம். Next process is a sowing of seeds. Sowing அப்படின்னா விதை விதைக்கிறது அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம். ஸோ அந்த sowing process, how the sowing process are done by different method and also how the seeds are selected, what are the instruments are used in the sowing process. Those things we will learn in the next session. Thank you, students. Now homework time. This is homework time, students, for you. There are 5 2-mark questions for you. I will give the 2-mark question for you. You write the home test and submit in the WhatsApp. Thank you. Thank you, students. We will meet in the next session. Thank you.